Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how AI is changing from a simple chatbot that just talks to an active assistant that actually gets things done? Welcome back. Today, we are exploring basic agent flow. A basic agent flow is the step-by-step process an AI follows to receive your request, plan its actions, use external tools, and check its own work. Instead of just giving you an answer, it solves multi-step problems all on its own. At the heart of every agent flow is a continuous loop. It doesn't just guess what to say next. First, the AI reads your request to understand the goal. Second, it creates a plan. Third, it executes an action. And fourth, it looks at the result to see if the job is finished. This cycle of reasoning and acting is often built using an architecture called REACT, short for Reason and Act. Let's look at a real-time example. Imagine an e-commerce store handling customer returns. When a customer asks for a refund, a basic agent flow kicks in. The AI reads the email, checks the customer's order in the database, reviews the return policy, and if everything matches, automatically emails a return shipping label right back to the customer. It handles the entire task from start to finish without needing a human to click a button. Standard large language models are great at writing text, but they are limited to what they already know. Agent flows supercharge these models by giving them access to external tools. An agent can search the web, run calculations, query a database, or connect to external APIs. This allows the AI to gather live information and perform real actions beyond simple text generation. Another core feature of a basic agent flow is task decomposition. If you ask an agent to perform a huge, complicated job, it doesn't get overwhelmed. It breaks the big task down into smaller, manageable subgoals. By solving these small steps one after another, the agent stays on track and completes complex projects far more reliably. What happens if a tool fails or an API goes down? A standard program might just crash, but an agent flow includes error handling and reflection. If an action fails, the agent stops, evaluates what went wrong, and tries a different approach. This ability to replan makes AI agents incredibly resilient when facing unexpected real-world problems. To wrap it up, a basic agent flow turns static AI into a dynamic assistant. By combining continuous reasoning, tool usage, task breakdown, and self-reflection, agent flows power the next generation of smart automation. If you enjoyed this quick guide, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple AI explanations. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.